Hi friends, in this video is going to show how to create a profile in Netflix and set age restrictions videos on the user profile. So how to do that? So log into your account on Netflix and click on this more, and you can see these options. Click on add profile. So this is example friend. Click on save. So you need to click on this account. Come all the way down, scroll down, and you can see this profile and parental controls. Here you can click on this friend profile and you can change this age restrictions. Change age restrictions. Once you enter the password, right, click on continue. So here you can set rating, for example 13 plus. So done. So click on save. Viewing restrictions save. That's it. This is the way you can create a profile and you can set age restrictions. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please put your comments and feedbacks in the comments. Thank you. Bye.